If you need to reset your password on CircleUp, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Visit the CircleUp login page. Go to the CircleUp website and locate the login page. This is where you will find the option to reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use CircleUp to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for password reset email from CircleUp. Follow the instructions in the email to proceed with resetting your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you click the link in the email, you will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it before saving the changes. Now you can log into your CircleUp account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to CircleUp support for further assistance.